So very, very exciting news for Sephora. An amazing US hair brand has just launched, IGK. They are a US brand that was created by 4 different hairstylists who have the motto of no boring hair ever. So naturally, they have created some amazing products and they're massive on Instagram. They've got heaps of followers because of all the amazing hair transformations that they do. One of the products that they've brought out is the FOMO, it's a holographic hair foam. Now, we covered this on Beauty Heaven not long ago, so you might have seen it before, but it's only just been made available in Australia now that IGK are available at Sephora. So today, I thought that I would give it a go. This is the shade Moonrock. So it's kind of a pinky purpley kind of look. So it'll switch from pink, purple, blue once it's applied, or it's meant to. Okay, so I've heard that it can get a little bit messy when applying this. So I am wearing a robe, so if you are gonna do it, maybe do the same, but let's give it a go. Oh my God, it's like bubbling. Okay, so the directions for applying it are just to dispense a small amount like that, and then to scrunch it into your hair. Okay. Can you see that like really subtle kind of pink shimmer happening here at the front? So it's definitely showing up on the blondest parts of my hair where I've applied the most, as you can sort of see. And it's got that really nice subtle pink to it. You can see it's where it's darker, it's coming up as blue, and where it's more blonder, it's coming up as pink purple, which is so nice to have both. So it will work on both hair colors. Like, it will work on darker hair colors. It might just come up more purpley. And it does come in a bunch of different shades. So this shade that I've got, that we're using today, is the shade Moonrock, but they have a bunch, and I think that there's definitely some darker ones that would look amazing on darker hair. All right, so this is what it looks like. So this side is nothing, and this side is the hair foam. So cool, right? I think this would be amazing if you put it in some braids, into a ponytail, a messy bun. You could definitely play around with the hairstyles. So there's a lot you can do with it. There are a few different colors in the range, so you can definitely find one to suit you. And if you do try it and you don't like it, the best thing about it is that you can just wash it out. So you're not gonna have to scrub to get rid of the color. It will wash out just after one shampoo. So it's kind of foolproof, really. Cool, so thanks guys for watching. Let me know what you thought. Would you be trying holographic hair foam? Let us know in the comments below.